In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how easily you can add an extra pop-up or a small extra info without needing to add any extra slide through slide layers. So let's dive in. Alright, so here a basic slide. Instead of creating a full new slide, I'll just add a layer. Look here, in the bottom right, you will find the slide layer panel. Click the new layer button, which is right here. When we click on it, just a new layer is added. So we can name it however you want. I'll name it as your first slide layer. So done. Now the slide layer is already ready. In the slide layer, you can add like text, images, anything you want, and it stays connected to your main slide. So here, this is our main slide, and this is which is also called as base layer, and this is our slide layer. I'm going to add a shape over here, just like this. I'll change a little bit on that, like the formatting. I'll change the fill. And I'll add my text. Just like this. I'll change a little bit on formatting. Make it to black. Yeah, that's it. So here you have added a new slide layer in just few clicks. In the next short tutorial, I'll show you how to trigger this layer with a button click, making this even more interactive. See you there.